Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve a quiz which is related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is very simple quiz. Basically, it contains the basic operation like plus, multiply and divide. And we have to solve this quiz and find out which answer is correct. Here we have the four answers in our answer list and we have to solve this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. Now, so before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's start the topic. As you can see on the screen, like we have um, three rules like BIDMAS, BODMAS, and PAMDAS. First, we will understand like what are the meaning of these rules. Basically, if you are using the BIDMAS or BODMAS, so you say the bracket B for bracket. And if you are using the PAMDAS, so you say the P for parenthesis. It means that you have to solve first in your expression is the bracket. After that, you have to find like, is there any exponent, any number has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out the division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so don't worry about this. Like if you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, so you can solve multiplication or division if it is coming first. So if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. And if the division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Like for addition, we have to solve if addition is coming first and if subtraction is coming first, so we have to solve the subtraction first. Either you are using the BODMAS and PAMDAS, it's same. Or you can say the three rules have the same answer. So now let's start the solving the given expression. As you can see in the given expression, so according to the rule, like we have to solve the like first the bracket, which is, or you can say the parenthesis. So in our expression, as you can see on the screen, like we have this part is the our expression. So we will solve this part first. So as you can see, like these are the divide. So rule number one or step number one, we can take the LCM of 1, 1 and 1, 2, and after that we will solve this part. Or we see like here we have the 22 divided by 11 and here we have the 36 divided by 12. So it means that we can simplify these two terms and like see like if fraction can be solved and we get the whole number. So if you see like we can write like 45, we can write like these words or terms as it is, and after that we will write like square bracket 22 divided by 11 is equals to 2 plus and 36 divided by 12 is 3. 12 1 the 12, 12 2 the 24 and 12 3 the 36. So now we can write like this way, and here we will give the reference like this part 22 divided by 11 is equals to 2, comma, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. Okay, now move forward. And again, we have the, this part has, we have the parenthesis. So we will solve this part now. And again, we will write as it is other terms. And here we will get the 2 plus 3 is 5. So here we have the 5 answer. So now we will write the, this one is equals to 5. Now we will move forward, and now we have to, according to the rule, first we have to solve the bracket. So now we do not have any bracket in our expression. Now we have to see the order, or you can say the parenthesis. So we have, we do not have any exponent terms in our expression. So now we will move forward to division and multiplication. So according to the rule, if you have the division first, so you have to solve that part first. And if you have the multiplication first, so you have to solve that part first. So now we have to go left to right again. So here we have 45 divided by 3. So we can write like this way: 3 1 the 3 and 3 5 the 15. So the answer is this is 15. So here we are solving this part. So it's, and here we will give the reference. So reference is 43 divided by 3 is equals to 15. Now we will move forward again left to right and see. So this part we have to solve now. So 15 multiplied by 7 is equals to, if we'll write 15 multiplied by 7 equals to 105. So here we have the 105 multiplied by 5. And here we will give the reference. So 1, 5, 15 multiplied by 7 equals to 105. Now we have remaining this part. So we will multiply this term of 1. If we multiply 105 multiplied by 5, so we will get the 5525. So answer of this expression, like solving very quickly and very easy way. So we have the answer is 525. So if you see in the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very quickly and find out the correct result using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.